Hey everybody, it's Kathy Shook joining you live from our latest rehab at 2, I think it's 2, could be 3, but we're going with 2. 2, there's the number right there, 2 Archer Lane in Andover, Massachusetts, where we have just finished renovating this beautiful house. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, great family house in a very quiet neighborhood, a little cul-de-sac. Loving this house, so I'm having an open house today, and it's St. Patrick's Day. I'm wearing my green, so happy St. Patrick's Day. And we had a lot of people at the open house, both today and yesterday, and I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see this. Oh, I think I'm going to turn the camera around, maybe not, if I can figure out how, and you can see inside. All right. So first we'll start with the outside of the house. As you can see, kind of looks the same as when we bought it. We bought it, in the winterish time, so couldn't do too much on the outside. But it was in really great shape, so it really doesn't need that much. So kind of looks the same. And the only new thing that we did is we put in all brand new windows. So all the windows are brand new. So that's pretty cool. And the reason I was going back and forth on the 2 and 3 is because the town has it listed as 2, but the property records have it listed as 3. So there's some debate right there. Anyway, we're going to go inside. I'll show you how great it looks. And there's our beautiful little springy wreath, our nod to spring, even though there's still snow on the ground. But it's almost spring, right? A couple more days. So as you go inside, you're greeted in this beautiful big foyer, and just a really good size. Got a little console table here. We have 2 coat closets, his and hers, or house and guests. I don't know, however you want to do it. So let's go into the living room. We love this living room. It's a huge front to back living room. And staging looks awesome, so shout out to Olga for helping us with that. And like I said, it's really bright and sunny in this room. We've got a nice wood-burning fireplace and freshly painted. We have really cool recessed lights that are on a dimmer, so we can dim them for like mood lighting. Let's see how we can do that. Oh, wow, let's check it out. Ooh. Really cool. All right, and then this used to be a closet right here that was, you opened the door from the kitchen. We got rid of the closet so that we can pass through into the kitchen, because before you had to walk all the way from the kitchen through the front hallway to get into the living room. It just didn't have great flow to it. So we opened up, we got rid of a closet. I know it's really bad to get rid of a closet, but in this case, it's a good thing. And now you can walk right into your little hallway, and this is your laundry room. We've got laundry here, hook up, and we've got a little half bath in here with a toilet, pedestal sink, new light fixtures, pretty cool. And this is my favorite little feature of the house, the hole in the ceiling, aka the laundry chute. Love it. I don't even think they're allowed anymore. This one's grandfathered in. All right, so now we are walking in from the little hallway here into our beautifully remodeled kitchen. Ooh, we gotta love this, right? It looks gorgeous. Oh, there's the remnants of my St. Patrick's Day little treats that I was handing out at the open house. But I'm going to step back so you can see how great this kitchen is. It looks gorgeous. Doing backup mode here. And how taking down the wall between the kitchen and the formal dining room, there used to be a wall and actually a doorway right here. How taking down that wall and just opening this room up just really just makes it much more usable, functional space, and just, what people are looking for in today's market, just that open floor plan. You've got your family room or living room right there. It just looks great. And we did this dark gray dramatic color just to bring out, the pops of the white in here. I love the light fixtures. They're really fun. We've got the chandelier over the table and then the 2 oversized pendant lights. And let's just focus in on this great kitchen. We've got the French door refrigerator and these beautiful quartz countertops and love quartz. I love the microwave here. It's one of these drawer microwaves that you just open the control panel here, hit open, and the drawer just pops out. So cool, so cool. Now there's no gas on the street, but so we couldn't do a gas stove, but we have this great electric stove, double oven, so you can cook 2 different things at 2 different temperatures with this beautiful stainless hood vent over it, venting to the outside. We've got a dishwasher, and we've got our lovely farmhouse sink or farmer sink. People are loving that. Oh, let me step back. And I really love the backsplash. It's really cool. It's marble backsplash in a herringbone pattern, which is really popular right now. And we've got these great drawers with the soft closed drawers. I love it. Just a really wide open kitchen. It used to be kind of a narrow galley kitchen. It ended right about where that door is. And over here where the refrigerator is was like a table and chair area. So, and then there was a separate dining room. So just opening it up, I think, was the right thing to do. And then off the kitchen, we'll just go out here briefly. We have a little sunroom, screened-in porch, perfect for the summertime. And we've got a brand new deck that we just installed overlooking your very private backyard, just looking over conservation land. And then we have a little attached 2-car garage. You can just walk right in here with all your groceries. So simple and easy. I love it. I have to walk up a flight of stairs with my groceries and then cut to my family room. Just like a few steps from the garage to the kitchen. And now we're going to go upstairs and we're going to see the transformation up there. Okay, so if you guys remember, this whole entire house was covered in wallpaper, and it was covered with popcorn ceiling. No more popcorn ceiling, got rid of that, got rid of the wallpaper, and in its place put this lovely, lovely, just neutral painted walls. And here we have the master bedroom. And just really nice, a lot of light in here, 2 windows. Just take it all in here. And this is really cool. For an older house, the house was built in 1960, so you wouldn't expect this, but this house has a walk-in closet. Really bright and sunny walk-in closet. And it's a really good size. It has its own window. How many people have windows in their closets? I don't. So you've got like this size. I call this side the her size because it's the bigger side. And then you've got the little his side, which is a smaller little area. But that's okay. We can share. We can share. You can probably even add some, California closets, just like max it out and make it even cooler. And then we have a master bath off the bedroom, which again, back in the day, who did that, right? So we renovated this bath. We've got this really cool octagonal, actually, nope, not octagonal, 6 sides, hexagonal tile, right? And we've got nice new sink with a granite top, beautiful staging again. Not real flowers, guys. I wish those were real orchids, but they're not. And we have this really cool shower stall built right in here. All nice and clean and shiny, ready to go, with a little bit of a privacy door on it. I love it. So I really, it's a good size master. It's not huge, but it's functional. And we have a similar style bathroom in the hall. Remember, we have 4 bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4. And then this is the hall bath, or the kids' bathroom. Same tile, did a hexagonal, same sink, same toilet, same color. But this one has a tub in it, and we did some really cool tile. I don't know if you guys remember before, it was blue. I think everything in here was blue. We put some really cool tile in here. We've got like gray glass block with white on the side, a nice gray grout. And it just looks really, really good. It's a really good sized kids bathroom. And again, just Awesome. And then my favorite feature, guys, here's the top of the laundry chute and the hall closet. So I guess you just put your clothes down the little hatch here. They go right into where the dryer is. Put a laundry basket up there, and you don't have to carry your laundry basket downstairs. Love it. But I can see why they're kind of not allowed anymore. I can see little kids or animals falling down that hole, right? It's probably why they're not allowed anymore. But anyway, it's a great family house that is on the market right now for, what's the price? $709,900. $709,900. Oh, I forgot the best part. I forgot the family room in the basement. We'll go check that out. Guys, I don't know how I forgot about the family room basement. This is so cool. You know what I love about a finished basement is the adults can be in the upstairs area, right? The adult area. And then you can just throw all the kids, whether they're little, whether they're teenagers, just throw them down here. Shut the door at the top of the stairs. You don't hear anything, all the clutter hidden. And we've got a wood-burning fireplace in here. So wouldn't this be a really cool teen hangout room, kids' playroom, could be an office, man cave, perfect spot right here for a pool table, and you have a door that goes out to a little patio area out here, like a little flagstone patio. So I think this is the coolest spot. I know my kids who are teenagers are begging to have a finished basement room that they can kind of hang out and call the teen space, but here you got it in this house. And as you can see, really bright and sunny in here, full-size windows, doesn't really even feel like a basement. So that's the house. And like I said, it's on the market, $709,900. And if you want more information or you want to schedule a showing, please reach out to me, Kathy. My number is 978-809-3999. This is Kathy signing off from North Shore Real Estate Solutions at 2 Archer Lane in Andover. Take care, everyone.